Yeah.
But they do give different call outs though.
Yeah, that's kind of like my group chat. Everybody really rocks the same position. But like if Andy says they're going down, no one's going against the grain for real.
Yeah.
But
But they say shit um, like see Palantir,
mm,
right? Palantir, we about to go fill this gap. Like they would have called this shit out. Like Palantir's gonna go fill the gap to the downside.
already while it's going,
Yeah.
what do you mean?
They call it in the morning. Like Palantir has a gap. So,
Well, why don't you like that?
huh?
Why don't you like that?
I didn't go check it out. I didn't go listen to it until now when I did the 15 minutes.
Mm.
Palantir, how much Palantir is in there?
I'm trying to up my position. Sadly, though, I mean, God, that week is disgusting, though. Jesus.
Oh, let's see what that is. 181. You got a motherfucking kidding. I hope this is they're not playing. I hope they're not playing. You think they're playing right there? That Warner Brother?
Wow.
I wonder.
That's your account?
Yeah.
You gonna cash that out or you leaving it? What?
I don't know if that's a lie or not, dude.
Oh.
I have to go look. It looks like it's the truth though.
I mean, cash that. I mean, you playing with different money to me. I need two of those, bro. So I would cash out one and then start on the next one.
10 shares. I bought
That's
10
a lot.
shares last night.
That's a lot.
But you know, sometimes like sometimes they do that shit.
Mm.
And then like sometimes they do that shit and then don't be for real.
Mm.
But the Warner Brothers, let's see. Let's see what it looks like. And that's 800%.
Mm.
Okay, I got it in Palantir.
Mm. Moving.
Fuck. Warner Brother. Shit. Okay, so I bought Warner Brother like right here yesterday. So this shit is for real.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's a huge move, low key.
Yeah, it is around here sometimes. It's a good move.
Dang. 4 hour candle looks crazy.
Yeah.
You gonna hold it or you gonna?
They don't close until April.
So you can't close it early?
Yeah.
You said you can't?
Yeah. I can close it right now. But
You gonna keep waiting?
To April?
It was a
We
long
right
time.
here.
I guess. I mean, how much you want? How much you trying to get at? Cause I'm looking at it different. I'm looking at it like it's a wrap. But how much you want to like? What would you want to see it do?
Shit, $50. $50 is nice.
50,000?
$50. Yeah. If it gets to $50
Wait,
by
time out.
April,
What you? Wait, what is that?
29.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, I got you. April. Like,
29, but you're expecting we're talking what? $50, 29, another 50,
100% damn near.
almost
Or
100.
90%.
Less. Move.
So if you look at this trend right on the 4 hour, like they was down here at six. Like at one point they were at $6 somewhere down, way down here. So
Mm,
they been coming up. This is
mm.
just on the 4 hour. So it can have an ugly pullback and then come up again and come up, but it's
I mean, it looks good. I mean, I'm sure during that time you're gonna have more profit than what you're at right now. Even if it doesn't hit that, you have more opportunities.
don't get me wrong, that would be really nice though. Right now.
I mean, yeah, but I do see your point. You got a long expiration date. Also, they just had this merge.
Yeah.
I could see it. I could see it do a couple more green candles like that. I just don't know. Um, there's no way anybody knows what's gonna be doing in April.
It's still gonna be probably like a whole bunch of um, uh, FOMO people still trying to get in too.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see though. Let me see if I can catch that out.
You got 10 contracts. You know have to. You could.
JPL.
Yeah, you could do. Or you could do a 20th. I do that sometimes. I want to keep the position, but I don't want to lose everything.
Mm-hmm.
Take about, let's say, 2/10 out of the whole 10. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to take out half. Just go. Because then when it goes higher, you can keep taking those 2/10. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you'll have more, but you'll also be protecting yourself from that risk if it reverses.
Yeah.
So, a lot to think about. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Nasty.
I could cut this position and then buy more for June for $160.
I don't know, man. I was trying to say take the 1,000, but don't do anything I'm saying. You know what I'm
If
saying?
I
I ain't
kept it,
got
if I
no.
could take the thousand, then I could just spend $160 more, buy 10 more. That closes in June.
So would you put? Would that be putting your whole 1,000 back?
Nah, just $160.
Man,
That'd
don't
be
listen to
savings.
me. I'm telling you
That's
right now.
savings.
I haven't done. I'm still struggling to get 1,000. You know what I mean? So I just thought, I don't know how stocks the options work.
It's the same shit.
So if it expires in April, every day it decays.
As long as you're in the money, you're good. But as long as it's continuing to go up, you're good.
But if it reverses to your entry,
To the downside, you
mm,
still got to April. It depends on when. I have to get out before April. Let me take the 10 contracts sold. 1,000. Oh, I cleared it. It was 1,000.
I mean that's a solid day.
Yeah, it was a solid day.
Also, since you already got out, you might want to see if you get a pullback before you get back in around that FOMC meeting. You know what I mean? It's about to be 7.
Where's the best spot? Yeah. So we'll go find one of them again.
You serving 20?
Yeah, he did 20.
What the heck? I ended up reducing my position by a little bit.
Alright, so damn. I went back down. So what I did was yeah, Amazon so crashing too. I I sold the 10
Mm.
and bought 19.
You bought 19.
Yeah. For June.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And that only cost you 160?
Yeah. Yeah.
19.
No. They cost me 190. Because whatever it did, because it came down some, it came came down some.
Mm. So lower the
Yeah,
price.
the price. So when it was up here, it was like 16. It was at 16. And then because it came down, it went down to 10. So I got made the thousand here. I only paid 10. What did I pay for it? Like 150 bucks, some shit like that.
So the most you can lose is 150, or
190 now. Yesterday I paid 150 like right here for it, and so it made all of that profit.
so 150 risk made you 1,000.
Yeah, but look at them. Yeah, because it's 10 contracts, so
Mm.
it's 1,000 shares. So that's a
Yeah,
great move for
but
a
that's
1,000 shares. Yeah, 800%.
that's true.
I had been like 2 shares. It was 100 bucks or whatever it was there.
Mm.
So 19 shares, damn near doubles it. So if we could get to another night, it's 1,900 shares
Mm.
now. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's
I'm just waiting. I mean, I feel like I gotta pull out the next opportunity gives me.
to the downside, or
Yeah, cause a lot of this profit I've been watching, I haven't been pulling out, and it eats it up.
yeah,
So,
it's staying in the zone really. Like I said, tight.
well, if I take it out, I get better opportunity
Yeah,
unless it breaks. But me
uh,
watching the profit get eat up
that's what it.
over and over
Yeah,
again, I'm missing out.
it's no breakouts. You know what I mean? It's like
Yeah,
this
so I
is
mean,
from
I gotta.
yesterday, and this is from yeah, because this is what day was this? Monday, Thursday of last week. So it had a small breakout here, but it's pretty much stayed in this area right here the whole
Hmm.
fucking time.
I mean, the breakouts have been happening later in the day.
But
It's
oh,
not because there has been breakouts.
not big ones though. I think not the one you looking for.
I mean,
I would say,
not. I mean,
is it
yesterday's move was a decent breakout. That was almost a $500 move. It's not the
was it
craziest, but
on Nas?
no, on Dow 30.
Oh, I'm looking at Nas.
Nas, when the last time it break out? Okay,
This is a
Nas,
nice
yeah,
one. Yeah,
Nas it hasn't, but
yeah. This one,
see,
yeah,
Dow 30 has a candle up.
yeah. The Dow 30, yeah.
So that also doesn't
Dow
make
30
me
has
feel
good
good
moves
about
here.
Nas.
Dow 30 is moving. Like it has nice breaking. But the Nas was, I mean,
Yeah, Nas hasn't.
yeah.
Yeah, you're right about Nas. It hasn't.
And it stayed in the same area.
Mm.
Fucking politics,
So the
man.
problem is, I had a $50 opportunity by lunch, another one before.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Now I pretty much have the same 50 opportunities, so it's like I'm wasting, you know, opportunities here just for the L to be the L.
Yeah,
If it get to L, it's like, you know what I mean. So
yeah. I got played the shit out of politics.
I would hate.
Volunteer played the shit out of him.
Did not get the gap.
No, it came to the 200 MA and stopped, which is half the gap. Unless it's gonna create its market structure and come back down. But they're the only one. Nvidia's in red, AMD's red, Palantir's green. Some bullshit.
Mm-hmm.
This shit's washed, man.
It's tough, man. It's tough.
That shit fucking good. Market rising to $50 goddamn dollars.
Down tier?
Oh yeah.
It's not bad.
I know, but yeah, they play this shit out.
The question is, are we hearing good like talks about this interest rate? Because she just said something
Yeah.
that sounded like it was a negative.
You in Dallas or no?
No,
Um. Yeah, I thought she said we don't really need one.
I mean it does sound. Some of the people I listen to does sound a little sketchy
Yeah.
because he's wanting to cut interest rates and kick out Powell to start printing out money, but they're talking about the long term damage,
Oh.
the economy, not like
Yeah.
not even dealing with the markets because a lot of people are in the markets with their 401ks and
Yeah.
but a lot of people aren't. But everybody's gonna have to deal with the inflation that comes with it,
Yeah.
whether you're in the markets or not. So, you know,
True.
and technically we can make money on the downside. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
We don't gotta push it up crazy to because grandma will freak out
This what?
if eggs get to a certain price.
Oh hell yeah, she should
She
freak out.
already freaking out.
I freaked out.
Ever since I got here, she's been saying eggs used to be blah blah blah. Every
Yeah.
single, every single like
Why don't you go to the store?
every single like how would I say this? Because it's not about just eggs. She said sauce and this, but it's like
Yeah.
grandma. I hate to say it, but those prices that you talk about never gonna happen again.
Low prices. The
The
point
ones,
of,
yeah, the
you
ones
hit the
she's
point of
talking
no
about,
return.
yeah. I'm like,
Yeah. Yeah, she hits the point of no return. Like when I started driving, I was gas was like 99 cents.
that's crazy.
And it was like that for like 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, that's crazy. Never seen that. I've seen it. I think I've seen $1.50. I
I
don't know
mean
if I've seen. I
Tennessee
don't know if
actually
I've seen
like
it.
$2 right now.
I don't think I've seen $1.50. But Tennessee is way cheaper.
Yeah. I was just
Tennessee is still like kind of at 3.2, 2.90.
so if you just drive through, Arizona is like 4 hours from here, right?
Mhm.
As soon as you cross the border, literally as soon as you cross the border in Arizona, there's a gas station that says 235.
Mm.
The fuck?
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Being taxed over here.
As soon as you cross over to Arizona, 235. That shit's stupid. Something like that.
Uh, I gotta start taking all $100 profits until I get my account back up, cause I think that's what I need to start doing, cause I can't be trying to hold the home runs right now.
Yeah. Good.
I
Maybe
mean,
too, cause it's probably because it's December, and it's not really like it's not really doing too much shit.
that's true, but also like,
See this right? Like you're in this. I wouldn't. You if you trading this, this is a hard one to trade. I get out of that shit.
well,
Cause
I gotta
it's
wait. I'm waiting.
yeah. Are you in the positive or negative?
Yeah, I'm at 20, but
It's up to you, but I fuck that. If it goes down to 500, then you could get out
yeah, I'm gonna get out 500.
because it's you know what I mean. It's like it's not.
Yeah, and
You
that's
gotta catch it at the top or the bottom.
yeah. Um, that's what I was so mad about yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I was at that top, but that's what I'm saying. I gotta pull these $100 because
Yeah,
I need to grow this account. Like I can't just
yeah,
keep watching $80 go by, and I'm in the same spot.
yeah,
Cause then I could have just made it twice if I'm taking the same trade. So yeah, I just have to.
yeah,
And then some days it's gonna hurt. But if I do like if I snatch 80 and they get in the same spot, um, in the same kind of trading session, then I'm it's better to I could leave it after that. But I can't just not take no profit of the day, you know?
yeah. I hear you. Yeah.
Because lately it's just been coming back to the same spot. So I feel like I could do that if I've already taken some money for the day, but
Tell me that
I
damn
can't.
shit.
Because I mean, it's been it's been a couple weeks now, and I'm damn near at the same spot.
I mean, yeah, it's staying right there.
No, count wise,
Oh, I mean, cause it's
like
been.
I probably caught like go down 30.
Oh, down 30 is different though. I would trade down 30 if I were you. I would trade down
I caught
this one.
probably this
This one,
move.
yeah.
I don't remember taking too much.
You caught. I think you caught this one to the downside.
Yeah, the same spot.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Doesn't mean I'm not making money. I'm saying my account's at the same spot.
yeah,
Like this was an opportunity for some money. I think I
yeah.
was in here,
It was here.
came back up. I missed that whole thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because you know
And
once
that,
it shifts this direction, then you figure okay, it might continue to come up, and you gotta like
yeah, but that's when
watch that shit.
that's why you have the stop loss there.
Yeah,
Cause it's like, okay, if
yeah,
I'm wrong, I'm willing to risk this, then okay.
yeah. They take their profit.
Cause I know how much I'm gonna lose if I'm wrong.
Yeah,
So it's like, yeah, I could come back up, but I gotta take that trade if I really want to. So yeah, new game plan. And it's gonna sting because
but that's the Dow. That's why I would trade this.
Nasdaq though, Nasdaq gave
I
me
would
money
trade this.
too.
This is not Nas.
Go Nas. I had my entries about right here throughout the day.
And then
Wick down. That was about 60 bucks right there. I could have took.
yeah,
Came back up. Came all the way down. That's another. That was 80 right here
yeah. You
before
started out
news
the
in,
morning.
and now right here like that's already won something. 140. But being patient after you take that first profit
Yeah,
is tougher than it seems. Like
yeah,
to be patient to see if it actually gets back up there. But that's what the ORB comes in. Like take the profit. I know this. I gotta wait for this time. Like I'm supposed to trade the ORB at this time. So don't do nothing crazy unless you see it there before the
yeah.
ORB. But
This
yeah, I
right here
mean,
pissing me off. Look at these fucking 5 minute candles. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And it's only moved here. 16 cents up and down.
mm, I'm about to. It sucks, but I'm about to just take this second 20 instead of the 50 and just be After this, after the split, what after the split, what happened?
No, I'm talking about Amazon. What you talking about?
Amazon.
Netflix? Yeah, I'm talking about Amazon.
Oh.
It ain't gonna pay $30. It's at $3 right now. But 2% right here would be good.
Mm.
But you see, like I was saying the other day, this volume is low as shit. Spy volume's at 2%. QQQ 24%.
It is.
That's low as hell.
Now you got also like depending on what happens next year.
Spy and QQQ, they were trading like last week, the week before, $7, $6, $7. So that's a decent, like, that's a decent 3.4% change.
Mm-hmm.
This shit right here is like, it's not making a big enough change. I need this to change, like, hey mom, I want to be a boy. I need to change.
Damn,
like
that's crazy.
I need some drastic change.
But you also got like, cause were you trading when Biden was in office?
Yeah.
There wasn't a lot of volume. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There wasn't a lot of volume at all, almost throughout his whole campaign.
Mm.
So
presidency or the campaign?
Presidency.
Oh, that's a nice $5 candle. It's gonna push all the way up to 683 to close that liquidity. What you think? Yeah, it's gonna end up up here or something. But it's just going too slow because it keeps pulling back.
At this area, I think you may see it just stay around until FOMC. This is huge news. People are gonna want to wait. This is massive news. So I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't move until after that. People are gonna want to wait.
Yeah, he's right about that.
You know, so it's probably gonna consolidate. But you never know. Something could pop off. But this is people have been talking about this for like 3 months. Interest cuts. He's been BSing. Oh, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. So I want to say the people I watch. I don't directly know what Jerome Powell's been saying.
Yeah.
But people I've been watching.
Ain't no reason to cut the interest rate. Trump, you have to get your ass out of here.
Yeah.
No reason to cut the interest rates. But cutting the interest rates is you kind of steal money. That's stealing money from the people.
By cutting it?
By maintaining it.
Yeah,
but not cutting it, yeah.
But what doesn't it directly impact inflation?
Yeah, but
that's.
We want to spend money regardless. So inflation only affects us. It don't affect. Well, it will affect the majority of us, because the companies, if people are still spending money during inflation, it's like fuck it. Inflation makes you what? Use your credit card. So we say that's why they don't use the card. Use your credit card.
That's true.
You don't got the money because a lot of people get interest rates on homes. You buy a home at 4%. Big companies like KB Homes is a big company. Let's just say they're like, okay, if we buy a house, you can buy it at interest rate. It's at 6% right now. You go down to 5.5. You're like, yeah, I'll take that. So they're locked into their payment anyway for 30 years. But it helps them if they. So their payment's $3,500 a month. If they drop it down to 2%, they can refinance and make their payment go from $3,500 a month to $1,700 a month. Yeah, they're gonna do that.
Yeah, but it extends it, doesn't it? The years.
Depending on when the year you bought it, right? So like if you bought it 5 years prior, then you could go back to 30 years.
It's my mom. Hello? Trading. I'm with Big Freddy right now. Nati, thank you. What's up? Nothing. No updates to report on that. Well, I said my birthday. I said my birthday. No, I said on my birthday I was gonna stop. Mm, I've been working 6 days, by the way. Right now I think until the last week. Right now is Christmas week. Right now is that they don't put all the dates in at the like at once. So if it changes, they add another 2 weeks or whatever. But I end up getting. I think last year ended in January, and then 1 year ended in February. But I got BT and Scarlet both some night lights, some squishy night lights. BT an action figure and Scarlet some hair clips, I guess. Hair something. Grandma sent them. She already wrapped them. Mm-hmm. I don't know. That might have been a grandma situation with my name on it. I don't remember that. No, last year I got BT. What did I get last year? I no last year I got the both pillow pets. Yeah, I got Scarlet a Bluey one and BT Paw Patrol. Yep, that was me. Mhm. That was probably gonna be my best gift. All right, love you, mother. All right, bye. She be calling me at 7 in the morning.
It's 10 o'clock out there.
Yep. About to have another Canadian news. 4 minutes. The other day I thought a Porsche was a Urus.
They all look the same.
Yeah.
All the
I was
SUVs.
like, what's a Urus doing there? What was that Cayenne? The SUV one? That
Yeah, I
Cayenne?
think it is. Yeah.
Mm, that was a Urus.
I thought a Buick was a Urus and shit. You ever
Nah,
go down
I ain't
Redlands?
never seen
You ever go
it.
down Redlands Boulevard?
Uh huh.
And you know in the motorcycle place, it has a Buick Spark.
Yeah.
I was like, is that a Urus?
Yeah, man. They are looking the
Crazy.
same.
I know it don't perform or look like one, but in the
Mm,
inside, but I'm like, it's a fucking Buick.
it's crazy.
They don't look the same.
Man, should I just put that stop loss and just run it through news? Or is that just crazy? Because Dow 30 came back heavy. Like Nasdaq hasn't really had a big push up right now, but Dow 30 it's a pretty significant push up.
Is that 30 did?
Hmm. And that's what I've been saying is Dow 30's been leading Nas lately.
Oh, so you think Nas is gonna follow it?
Yeah, I think
Well,
so.
if you think that, then I would get out. If you
I think
think it's
so.
gonna, well, it hit the 200 right here, but it's still moving up. Yeah, I would get. If you think it's
It's
gonna
been
get out,
it's
then
been following
follow. I would get out.
been following nonstop. I'm gonna take another little bit. I got a 5 minute doji though.
So yeah, so if you say people like you cut their mortgage in half, they're gonna take that money. They're gonna spend the money. There ain't nobody really gonna invest the money.
Mm,
They're gonna spend it to stimulate the economy more. They might buy some crypto and shit. People my age might start buying some crypto.
mm.
Man, that don't even understand it if it's a working coin or not. Just buy whatever the market says buy. I know so many people that did that shit.
You go Bitcoin. You may not get a super return like
Yeah,
some other ones, but you'll be in good hands with Bitcoin. Just not as enticing to people.
yeah. Not at that price.
Yeah, but
They have to take it 6 years ago.
I mean, it depends on where how high you think it's gonna get.
Yeah,
If it gets to 500,000, that's a 5x.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Then when you're at 500,000, you're like, I should have got this back then.
Alright, we
Bye,
said.
Auntie Nikki. Love you, Auntie Nikki.
Love you, no searching, Alright, good. Short hair don't care. Wow. Oh, okay.
Okay.
See? Short hair don't care. Let's see. I got out of spot because it's just taking too long to break
Do
out.
nothing?
Yeah.
Nah, I get that. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna hold on to Amazon for overnight, probably till it's like today's Wednesday, going into Thursday or Friday. What's she talking about? Damn, you talking about billions? You trying to get a few $100?
Mm. Dang, man. I mean, it's just not wanting to give me no more profit, huh? It's saying you either take it here or we gonna rob you. Like it's not trying to get none of those wicks
Nas
down
might
there.
be coming down though,
Hmm?
because it's still Nas is still under 15 minutes. Is still under all the moving averages.
Yeah, well, it,
You don't see.
it like to do that. Like, it like to pretend like it's going one way.
Yeah.
It
Let's
just
see.
loves to pretend like it's going one way.
Let's see, man. I don't like this is the hourly chart. It looks cleaner. Got one, two, three,
Yeah,
but it's still like
no, I don't like that. Those wicks touching that one spot down there.
here. This is the
No,
depth right here.
all three of those wicks.
Yeah.
That one, over one, that one. Yep, I don't like that.
Yeah. They all just reject right here.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good chance it will break through eventually. It's just it doesn't look like it's
So it's
feeling
probably
it.
gonna
So
pull up. I think this will probably pull up to this wick right here. But you see this 80 MA, whatever they'll put up to. Yeah, the 80 MA. The 80 MA. It's it's about to push down through an ORB.
the RB is pretty much where that yellow line is, though.
Yeah. It's gonna push to there on the hour, so who knows what it looks like. Yeah, who knows what it looks like. Because they did that here. They did that here, and then it bounced up. But that was off of a doji.
Well, I mean, Nasdaq is. I mean, Dow 30 is kind of rejecting to the spot it was. If Dow 30 comes down back to into the 500s, then I'll feel less worried about Nasdaq. But
Yeah. Okay, so looking at this on a closer zoom in, right?
mm,
This this RV, the 80 MA broke it, but it came up because it had a doji right here. Right?
mm-hmm,
So it came back, swung up here, hit this resistance, came back down to this RV, had a bigger doji right here,
mm-hmm.
hit that resistance too and came up. So even if it breaks this, it's still sitting like at a doji. Cause you got 26 minutes to break it. It's still sitting at a fucking doji. Or a reverse.
Mm.
That's what I
But Doji ain't valid until it closes.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's what I'm saying. It still has 26 minutes.
Mm-hmm. It's going slightly.
Yeah.
But ooh, my position's pretty much very very smaller than what I started.
Yeah.
I took another little. I have 2 spots left. I started with 5 today.
Mm-hmm.
I'm down to 2 now. I just took another little one.
I was hoping like on spot this shit would break the 200, but it bounced off the 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times.
Yeah, I mean,
It's coming down.
this whole minute I've been on sells though, just because we're close to those all-time highs, and the FOMO of next year, but because I think January we might see a pump.
Yeah.
I think January might see a pump. Everybody wants it to go down. Perfect time to pump. Come here, Mikey. What? Pull up the Cracker Barrel logo. What's their new one?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean they rebranded their logo and got bad feedback? Dang, now it's going down. Okay, I see how it is.
Look here.
What?
Palantir Technologies had a contract.
But that doesn't show up on your.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, because they
They're
couldn't
behind?
pull out. They jumped up. They jumped up overnight, and I thought they were gonna close the gap.
Mm.
See, they jumped up from here after they got that news, and then they closed the gap. They continued to the upside.
Mm.
Damn, look at her neck. Like,
Hold on.
oh, damn. Put some makeup on, girl.
I'm out completely.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm out completely. What's the new logo? That looks the same.
That's the.
It looks like a bean.
What's wrong with that logo?
I don't know. Really, I can't. It's the Mandela effect. I can't really
Let me
tell.
see. I know I'm gonna do the rebrand.
Is it just without the barrel?
Yeah.
Cracker Barrel rebrand tanks stock. Dig and Cracker Barrel will you after wedding reception.
That's fucked up.
Their stock has plummeted 12% since they updated their logo, got rid of the man on the barrel sign. Meanwhile, they still have a website dedicated to DEI, which is hilarious. What's your take on all of this?
Yeah, thanks for coming to me on this. They spent $700 million and hired 3 marketing firms and never thought to take the word cracker out of the name of the damn restaurant chain. If we're gonna talk about
I kind of see it.
fried chicken, I ate
Cracker Barrel.
she died in '91, so I'm not exactly the authority on this
Give a
restaurant
fuck.
chain. But if you want me to be the authority on all things Southern, here it is. Pickup truck Ford, Southern Vittles, make it, don't buy it. Meth, buy it, don't make it.
What? I don't understand what's going on with that.
The more you know, America. So, Paul,
You ever see Garfield?
Garfield?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
pedigree game, and everybody plays it. And
Why does Mikey always shut out Martin? Or just Martin doesn't realize the gate's open?
we called it egg
Come on. Come on.
like whatever.
Come on.
So they up
Push the gate, man.
now.
Go help him, Mikey.
3 or 4.
Go help him.
No reason to be embarrassed to try it again.
You don't want it to get open. Push the gate.
I don't really care about this, but I
You're gonna learn one day.
that corporations can do this stuff.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to get in Dow 30 again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They'd rather just spend $700
About to get in Dow 30 again.
to deal with angry tweets. Meanwhile,
On the sell.
small companies, individuals, it trickles down to them.
Nothing crazy though, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy.
Yeah, Nas is going down.
Yeah, hit that wick and then, you know, that's all I can ask for. I mean, that's all I can ask for, man.
Oh, it's going to continue down for a little bit, at least to the next ORP.
I don't know, man. I don't know. This is the first time it low-key took some liquidity. Nah. I'm at almost 300, like
Dollars?
98, 300. No, today I only made about 105. That's how much I made.
Oh, that's
105.
good, though.
That's terrible. I had 2 opportunities to make 80 and watched it get eaten up.
It's the right direction.
I mean, yeah, I mean, yesterday I would have had my account at 400 if I stayed in it. My account's only at 277. I didn't even break 300. Like, really?
Well, shit, you only like $23 away from 300, which is good.
I'm 130 away from the spot I could have
400.
been. I mean, yeah, I'm not hating on it. It's equity for my
You're
next
going in
trade.
the
It's
right
just,
direction, that's for sure.
it's different. When you go back to work, I'm gonna be back on my own. It's gonna be different. Cause I'm like, okay, I'm pulling up here. Let's not mess anything up.
But the market's going to be moving differently, too.
It's either gonna be moving up or down. You know what I mean?
But bigger moves. Right now, like if
Oh
you
yeah,
look
yeah.
at-
It could be doing bigger moves. Bigger moves would help me.
Yeah.
Because you know I have a good stop loss. My stop loss game has been a little bit better. I'm not doing the no stop loss thing, even though I feel like sometimes I want to, you know what I mean? But bigger moves would help for sure. But I need to be snatching profit. If I learn anything this week, is take those 80s until take those 80s, man. Or even the 50s. The thing is, I look at the 50 and I'm like, that's not enough.
Yeah. I I drive that
But
shit all the time.
I look at the
I
50.
had like $400, $500, whatever the fuck it was, and then you know what I mean. I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
take profit here, $400. Take profit here, $400. Take profit here, $500. And then yesterday I'm like, I'm gonna take profit at $60, like some bullshit.
Mm-hmm.
But you know the thing is, you just keep showing up and keep trading.
And that's the thing. Like, I take those profits. I get like one time I take the profit out of five.
Mm-hmm.
Will it actually hurt my feelings and just keep going down crazy? But four of those times, it's gonna pull back up in the same spot.
Mm-hmm.
Meaning, one of those times I'll have a little bit of regret. Four of those times I'll feel good. If I vice versa it,
Mm-hmm.
four of those times I'm taking a stop loss, and one of those times I'm doing what I did yesterday and getting out at the wrong time, and then
Mm.
that's literally what happened. Think about it, all week. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Then
There's
when
no
it's really
point
time.
getting out if you got your stop losses at good
I
income for.
know, I
Yeah.
know, I know. And
Yeah.
that's what I was saying yesterday. I got psyched out with the Ethereum because Ethereum went up crazy.
Yeah.
It went up crazy. When we were trading, Ethereum was at $100.
Right here.
No, I mean you're
Is this
way
where it went
past
up
up.
crazy?
When we were trading, Ethereum's at $100. That big green candle right there. That's it.
This one?
Mhm. What was that?
What day?
It's yesterday. Wait, 100 from went to 100 from something.
Right here.
Mhm. So I was like,
3100 to
it kind of freaked me out.
33.
Mhm.
3300.
Cause I thought it was gonna push down above 48 again.
Yeah. Mm.
I don't know. You think I should sell on Dow 30 right now?
Do what?
Think I should?
Sell it?
Mhm.
Let's look at this. Mm. For long term?
For not a long term. Not for a long term, but for a move.
For this is the day chart.
Let me see how much I would be risking at 48 150. $150 if it hits all the way back up there.
I think
What's the week look like?
okay, so it came up here. I don't know if it's gonna. This is a 50 in MA.
Ooh.
I don't know if it's gonna push through the 50, but it closed the fair value gap. But it's still gonna go to the downside, I think.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I got in.
It's just
It's
closed the
just
fair
super.
value gap.
Yeah, it's just super low. But if you think about it,
It has a pattern too.
it came up pretty high. We're talking about 100 away from the bottom of the ORB. All like that yellow line. It's already touched kind of one of those ORBs.
Yeah.
So I'm getting in.
Yesterday's bottom of a breakout range here.
I'm getting in with a very small position because realistically,
To the downside?
realistically though, the FOMC man's got me shooken. It could possibly spike up crazy, then come down. Could possibly spike down, but I will say, the last couple times I saw FOMC, nothing happened. Literally just.
Oh yeah.
Literally nothing happened. So look at Mikey. He knows how to open both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Mikey, go let Martin in. There you go. Martin.
So looking at this, see spiking up now. Okay, but there's a pattern like right here. Okay, so it takes a long drop, eats up all this liquidity, then consolidates,
Mm-hmm.
pushes up, eats this liquidity of this candle,
Well, I don't consider that for me, liquidity has to cover the last. It has to break. Like, yeah, it does, but like for me, it literally has to come above that wick.
This way,
Mm-hmm.
shit, it just
I
stopped the
call that like a
volume
retest. I
because
don't. That's
because
not.
this is the liquidity. To me, this is the liquidity right here because this is where all the buyers were at. I mean, all the sellers were right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
The way I look at it
And
is.
see, that's where it stopped at. See this green wick? It ate
Mm-hmm.
up all this because it could come down. Like say all this green, right? If
Mm-hmm.
it came all the way down and then came all the way back up and it continued like this, like it just took all this out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Uh
So
huh.
all this is taken out just off of one little candle and then it wicks up here and then closes out. So to me, it's like this body comes all the way down, eats up all this liquidity
Mm.
to this line, right? To that wick,
Mm.
to that wick, boom. And then it consolidated out. Went back up to this line, to
Mm.
that liquidity out, closed and it continued down. So it sold, consolidated,
Spiked up.
spiked up, closed,
Mm.
consolidated, spiked up, and then see if it closes, right? See if it closes sales, and then consolidates around here.
I will
And
say.
then, let's see.
I will say. I rarely see it do that kind of that wick like that
Mm-hmm.
twice in a week. So that could be a green candle to close. But also, what I would say, this is like people that have a stop loss, like right here, like my stop loss was like 150, right? That liquidity, my liquidity didn't get taken, even though it's right here, because it would have hit my stop loss. Like for these people, if they put their stop loss, usually they put past the wick.
Mm-hmm.
Also, when it gets its profit like this, they do put break even.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So if they had the entry right here, that would have touched the break even stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Taking that liquidity. But I always like, this is that liquidity up there because everybody's putting their stop loss above that wick. Some
Mm-hmm.
people are getting taken out break even. Most people right here, everybody's getting taken out.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's just the theory because a lot of people will put their stop loss above that wick, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, it's just different ways to look at it. But I usually, that wick has to get taken out for liquidity, or I call that a retest.
Mm-hmm.
But it did push down, you know?
Yeah.
But dang, this thing is flying up.
That's an hour to go up.
It's flying. What is
Before
it?
that candle closes. Well, you heard of ICC, right?
What's that?
The trading strategy, ICC? No? It's implication, correction, continuation.
Implication, correction.
Correction, and then a continuation.
Mm-mm.
So the
I've never heard of
implication, it shoots up. That's the implication that it's going to continue up, right? And then, is that incorrect? Let me see. Implication that it's going to go down or shoot up and go down. I'm sorry. I don't know which one it is, but this is the consolidation,
Mm-hmm.
then the correction because it closes this, and then if it comes back down and continues down, that's the continuation. So it's like implication, correction, continuation, some shit like that. ICC.
I've never heard of that.
That's what you know that black kid that hit like 100 million trading.
Aristotle?
No, not Aristotle. Side trades. He does ICC a lot, and I think he uses the platforms you use because, like, he don't use contracts and shit.
Mm-hmm.
But he catches the daily moves, the 4-hour moves. He catches like this right here. So like if he don't catch this one, this would be an implication. Let's see, implication. I don't know. Shit. He goes off of pure market structure. So here, like it'll start here, up, lower, lower, low, or higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high.
Mm-hmm.
And if it don't continue up, then he says, okay, change is here, and then this way, this way, this way, So he'll catch the on a longer time frame, the continuation, correction. So he called this the correction, eating up this liquidity,
Mm.
and then here you see if it doesn't create a lower low, then he'll ride this one back up for a correction. So it's like implication, correction, and if it breaks structures, continuation, some shit like that.
Mhm.
But yeah, that's how you see it.
That's a nice head and shoulders right there.
Yeah.
No, I've heard that's similar to what I heard. You got consolidation, the wave, which is like the big like zoom out. It's hard to put the wave in. Go to like maybe the 1 hour. The wave would be like uh, maybe this, which is just giant consolidation, but it's like a massive like consolidation, a wave, and then the trend,
Okay.
and then consolidation, wave, then trend.
Okay.
So it's like a big consolidation.
Consolidation.
That's kind of what I kind of heard.
Trend.
Mm.
I see that.
And then like this would be a little consolidation, big wave, trend either up or down. Yeah, that's what I heard. God dang it!
But that's
I want to up my leverage now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm think I'm gonna need to up it.
the leverage. Hold on, it's hitting to it.
It's coming down a little bit.
It's coming down.
As,
So it's hitting the ORB. It's 4 minutes for this candle to close. This is the 1 hour. It's hitting the 200 MA, and then an ORB, but
it's pushing past that.
yeah,
No, I'm in Dow 30.
oh
I'm in
shit.
Dow 30 now.
That's the Nas.
But I was just pushing past that though, man.
You to the upside? What are you?
I'm on the downside.
A Nas? Down 30?
That's where I'm at. 700. I think I should up
You're gonna up your leverage to which direction? To the downside on
it.
that?
Downside.
On that?
Why? You scared me, man. What are you trying to say?
Let me look. It need to depend how.
It came
how
up.
long you gonna ride it out?
Till I wake up. Right through a FOMC. Pushing
You
up.
gotta get a good entry because
That's not a bad entry.
different than mine.
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's a bad
To
entry.
the downside?
A bad entry would have been like right here. Anything down here. I mean, you think it's gonna break all-time highs? Because if you think it's gonna break all-time highs, then it would have to break 48,000. If you don't think it's gonna break all-time highs, the next question is, do you think it'll break 48,000 again?
It's still coming down. Yeah, so I can see that. But I ain't gonna hold it though.
Till I wake up. Yeah. I mean, my leverage isn't high enough to do the quick 30 minutes right now, you know.
Yeah.
That is a smarter play, I think, is to try to get in, get out. But you know.
It's gonna. I think on the shorter move, it's gonna go up for a minute.
Well, if it goes up, that's good because I could get another entry.
So you're on the way down.
Because if it goes up crazy, I'll be out 100. But if it,
I would take this one down.
that one already moved. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This moves like this. Get me. I don't like the moves. You should be getting it up there.
Yeah.
You know that's already. But if you look at Dow 30's already came up. You have a better, and you gotta think a move right here. My stop loss, realistically, my stop loss should be above that. That's a huge stop loss.
That's a huge stop loss.
Now, if you're talking about a buy, your stop loss is like probably this ORB. The buy would make more sense. But if you're talking about a sell, my stop loss has to be all the way up there. For how long? Now, a buy would be nice. If I was feeling a buy, the stop loss maybe down here at most, which is a huge stop loss. I think you're ready to go. But Dow 30 is giving me my stop loss. I'll probably put my stop loss right now is at the same stop loss as yesterday. eight 150. Is that a big stop loss? Yes, but this is what the dude said.
This is 30 minute.
So you said yesterday it never closed before 46 760 and took off. So it when we were trading, it rejected that, kept going up.
Mm-hmm.
But by the time I woke up, it closed below that. So he's thinking it's gonna continue down, but he said he's gonna stop trading the 15th and then start again Christmas. But you see what I'm saying about the sell on this though? Cause now the stop loss, I could put the stop loss here.
I mean, if you decide to write it down, but I mean, how long you gonna stay in it? That's my thing. Because
Probably if news goes well, I'll stay in it
if you plan on staying in it
until
for
London
like,
tomorrow. If news goes well,
if you staying in it for tomorrow, let's look at the 4 hour. So if you plan on staying in it till tomorrow, then I would say, yeah, you can write it down because it hits on the 4 hour. It hits the EMA right here. So our moving average here. So it may come down, but
that's big, right? Even at this 50, that's a good amount. That's almost what $500.
yeah,
No, 400.
yeah,
About 400. That's decent.
yeah.
So,
I mean,
but
if you plan on like just robbing the market real quick, get in and get out, then I would.
yeah, you wait.
I would wait.
Yeah, but you like when you talk about robbing, you like to go kind of with the flow. Like if it's going up, you like to catch a piece of it kind of going up.
Depending on the time frame.
Which
too.
makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I see that. So you would try to take it up, probably back to these.
If it's let me see, it's rejecting the 15. It's rejecting the 215 minutes.
So let's say we were in this candle. You would try to probably take it up to the fair or the ORB line.
Yeah, if I was, I would take it. I would eat this candle right here. Right here, I would take it right here to this candle because of this wick. It's gonna connect to that wick, and it did right here. That's how I look at it. If it hold past it, if it held past it here,
probably
then I would take it up to about right here.
Yeah. That's the other thing. If news doesn't go good, I'll probably be out.
You gonna get in or to the downside?
Yeah.
No, this is not. This is DJ. Wait. Which one you gonna trade?
I'm already in DJ.
Okay.
I'm already in DJ.
To the downside?
Yeah, but Nas went crazy.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm tripping. But it gave me more than where I got out though, for sure. But
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is the game plan.
So Nas is closing. Nas closing past his ORB on the downside for today. So
Yeah, it's just now 5-minute close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
So it may continue down, and it'll probably come.
Well, it got me a little worried. It has officially, well, my calculations, this liquidity has been taken now for sure.
Yeah.
So kind of don't like, but it's also like, it's also like it's breaking through structure finally at the same time, you know.
So I would look at here. It's about right here.
$100 move.
Yeah. Or here.
I probably won't stay in too crazy.
45 minutes. So it crossed the 200 on 45 minutes.
It looks crazy on here. Cause my ORB, it doesn't show that, but it looks like a massive candle.
This is 45 minutes. Which one are you on?
I was on, I think the 5-minute, cause I was watching the ORB.
So this looks like on 15 minutes. So it's kind of
Okay. Yeah, see Nas do that. I kind of want to up my leverage even more. I think I'm let me see the stop loss. Like I'm not trying to do too much, but you know.
You can fucking volunteer.
Mm.
This son of a mother sucker.
See, that would be the wave. Consolidation,
Yeah.
the wave, and then when it starts taking off, that would be the real trend. Consolidation wave trend. And then they're like, don't trade during consolidation or the wave, but it's like, it's hard not to, because it's like,
Yeah.
if you have a nice zone, then you could just bomb zone, top zone, bomb zone, top zone, you
Yeah.
know. Especially doing what you're doing, a higher leverage, bomb zone, top zone, you'll make some good money. Oh, I'm about to break 300.
Oh, you? Mm.
Yeah, look, it's already moved down about almost
What
$100.
should we do for that? Nas or dollars? Alright,
Down
alright.
30. It's almost down. My entry is at 700. Yep.
Okay.
So it moved down.
Did you go heavier or no?
I wanted to.
That's a fuck 15 minute too.
Three more hours and news hits. So I'm gonna wait. I mean, let's say FOMC hits a good spike push up. You know,
Mm-hmm.
take that, or it pushes up the whole day but doesn't push up high enough to take me out. Then you know, I mean,
Let's see.
back in the 70s now. 112.
Dude, see, I hate all this shit. When I see people, I get mad now.
Well,
Cause she Chinese.
what's wrong with that?
There's too many other people in America now, dog.
It's too many other people in America.
Hell yeah. We can't even have it no more. Look at her. She Chinese. God damn. They taking black jobs.
Yeah. Well, what were we looking at?
Gutfield? Everybody on the panel was like, damn. You go to Tennessee, it's a lot of black people, right? Or more. Where is it now?
it's white. It's wait. Tennessee's always been a lot of white people. At
Is
least.
it? Well, what about the South? Like Texas?
No. Atlanta, all
Atlanta,
black people.
yeah.
South got a lot of black people.
Mm-hmm.
Chattanooga, the location I was in,
Yeah.
happened to be white, but
I miss Chattanooga.
but I think Nashville,
Mm-hmm.
a little white.
Yeah. Country.
Memphis, a lot of black people.
Yeah.
Atlanta is like
Mecca.
Mecca.
That's Mecca.
Um,
Look at these. Look. You know, they
a lot of
black people.
Alabama too.
Bama. Yeah.
A lot of black people in Alabama.
Kansas,
Hmm.
Oklahoma,
Yep.
California. Hell no.
Yeah, but California is still minority.
Who?
Mexican, is it not?
They're the majority.
Well, they're considered under the
Oh,
minority.
Yeah, they majority now, but shit.
Yeah. So I mean, yeah, there's a lot of people in here, man. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of people.
Look, we can't get no black people. If you wouldn't apply for the job, they would give it to you. They would give it to you. As long as you're black.
Uh, wait, so Warner Brothers. Wait, Warner Brothers hasn't been bought yet. They're talking about bidding.
Yeah, because.
Okay. I'm going for it, Big Freddy. You go for it. Don't do me dirty, please. Don't do me dirty.
Well, you realize that you're gonna have to stick around for a minute in that trade.
Yep,
Yeah.
I do. But realistically, I'm gonna be asleep. I'm gonna be asleep before anything crazy happens.
So it hit the 200. So hopefully it bounces back down.
Okay, total stop loss is at 48, 150. Total risk,
You a Nas or DJ?
DJ. Total risk,
Wait, say that again.
total risk is 170.
To make how much?
There's no TP. No TP, man.
You risk 170, you gotta make like
1 3.
170, yeah,
For
300.
me to make,
At least 240.
for me to make 200 at this spot right now, it would have to go down to 47, 200.
She ain't even black. You're higher niggas.
Mm. She looks like she's from Europe, though. She doesn't look like she's from America.
We're all from here. Okay, watch this. This is gonna get mad. This is something different. This is what pisses me off. It's too long. This pisses me off already.
Listen, it's called connecting, and it's insane. I don't just
This
schedule
is a quick
more
little
timesheets
video.
manually.
Hopefully it's a good one.
Ellis Island. For decades, it was the main gateway for immigrants coming to the United States. But after a
Oh,
tectonic
white
shift,
people, European.
Ellis Island became a place where more immigrants were pushed out than allowed in.
Bullshit.
From 1892 to 1924, 12 million immigrants were processed through Ellis Island
White,
on their way to finding
Italian,
new lives in
European.
America, mainly from Southern and Eastern Europe.
See,
But in the wake of World War I, America became less welcoming to potential immigrants as fears of foreign anarchists and communism spread. Immigration quotas were put in place for the entire Eastern Hemisphere, and Ellis Island was forced to adapt. The island became a detention center where immigrants scheduled for deportation were held before being sent off. Today, Ellis Island exists as a museum that presents America's
New York?
entire immigration story from its open arms, closed doors, and beyond.
they had to stop because they were bringing in they brought in like um over 20 million Europeans over here.
Dang.
Yeah.
That is
They
crazy.
pretty much killed us. Like still. Yeah, you gotta understand this one for cool. Damn it.
Go back to. It's pushing up higher than I want to, though.
Where's what?
Nas, but I'm about to go back to Nas really quick. Nas is back in the ORB, but it's not pushing like that, though. But it's pushing up higher than I want, though.
You know, this guy right here.
I don't like how it's moving like that.
You don't listen to him?
Nah, I've never seen him.
No?
Yeah, I'm pretty much off Instagram. We're gonna still do the LA event this Saturday, so
That changed
this
crazy.
will pretty much be my last event for this year. We'll also feed the homeless later on towards Thanksgiving. If you guys want to
Nice guy.
participate in
That's what it says?
Yeah.
hit me, DM me
Nice
over
guy.
there. But yeah, I finally hit my goal for the year. I'm gonna go off.
Nah, that's tough. Now I know it says NASDAQ.
Go live life, go enjoy life.
The thing is, like,
Take care of my family and stuff like
is
that.
it half a Cuban?
For the past 6 months, I've been showing you guys time and
Shit,
again
man.
that trading is not as hard as people portray it to be.
Man, it's hard. What is he talking about?
You
I'm
guys
taking notes.
take the lessons that I gave and
Can you do it for free?
really utilize them.
His
I
lessons?
see that a lot of
Yeah.
people are having
Really?
successful.
He don't charge shit.
I am
Trade by side.
all in all, I
Lock
just
him
really
in then. My bad. I was talking shit. My bad, bro.
stop paying for courses, stop paying for signal rooms and
Here.
mentorships and stuff.
Stop that
Trade
shit.
Need it. Keep everything simple. Believe
by side.
you won't be able to, I won't say you will be a millionaire, but you can definitely make at least an extra $500, $1,000. I will never
He go live, huh?
to show you like
No, he don't go live.
No, he's taking a break because he hit 100 million.
hard work, dedication,
He gonna break cause he hit 100 million.
skills and
He
stuff.
took a break because he gave up his whole fucking lesson. He put it all out there. This is how you do it. Scripture. He's like, stop paying for lessons. This shit should be free. You making this kind of money, why you charging people?
No, for real.
So
That's what I don't understand about a lot of people. Like,
Mm.
you gonna charge me? Talking about you gonna help me?
It's kind of crazy though because like it should be making sense. It should make sense, but it for me it changed my perspective. Oh, yeah, you know, I got contracts and I don't think he has contracts. You don't have contracts either. So he
He
rides
doesn't.
the longer move. So
Yeah,
he'll hold this one for like 2 weeks,
because the
3 weeks.
longer moves give you a 1 to 8, 1 to 5. You know,
Yeah.
they give you. You could risk 100 to make 500. You know, he risking if he's mixing big money like that,
Hmm.
then he is probably risking 100,000 to make 1 million.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. If
So,
he's hit a million a
and he
day.
don't have to worry about the decay. His
Hmm.
swap fees though are probably gonna be up at. Mine are like 10 cents. My leverage is so low. His
He's
is
doing like
probably,
10,000.
I wouldn't say 10,000, but he definitely have a swap fees $100 at least a week. $100 is not much, but like
Even a
Andy
thousand.
swap fees, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, his is a
If he's
thousand.
no, I'm saying if he's trading $1 million, it's probably $1,000 and shit. I don't know.
It's probably like,
A million? This
it's
is a
probably
percentage
like
off of what? You know what I mean?
the percentage has to go off the spread.
Mm.
So like if the spread is $5, then 1 unit would be times by $5.
Mm.
So if you have 2 units, $10
Oh,
with the spread to clear the spread, and then the swap fees would be. I got swap fees right here.
mm.
I can pull it up.
I don't know,
Mm,
but
look
so
at so swap fees. Swap for longs is -10 pips. So -10 pips would be 10 cents per unit on Dow 30. So if I have one Dow 30, that
mhm,
would be like 1 unit for you, not a contract. 10 cents per day, Wednesdays times it by 3.
mhm,
For shorts, it's -3.5. So if you're going short,
mhm,
you have one Dow 30. Your swap fees is 3.5.
mhm.
I'm guessing cents. Mm, times that by 1,000,
So okay, here it goes.
about $10.
Implication, correction, implication, correction, implication, correction, continuation. The hell? Implication, correction, continuation. So yeah, that's it. Implication, correction, continuation. That's how he does it. So he
Mm,
catches the spike. This is implication, implication. This then his market structure is a correction and a continuation. So he does the awful market structure. So it's
that
all like
makes sense
up,
though.
down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
That makes sense though.
Yeah, shit like that. I'd have to watch a lot more of his fucking videos. So if he kills it on Nas 100, so
Mm,
he's probably catching moves like this, the
yeah,
upside. Yeah.
but honestly, I gotta watch some of his stuff because
Oh hell yeah.
even for him, I'm sure that's hard to stomach. I'm sure it's hard to stomach the volatility, the ups and downs
But
of like
if he
Nasdaq.
so if he's watching it, he's not even tripping on the probably like the downsides because he knows eventually it's gonna come this direction. Right? That's what I would imagine.
Yeah, but let's say this move right there.
Where? Here?
Zoom in right there on that one,
Mm.
or really any of them. Like those,
This pullback right here?
look at how many times it has those kind of big pullbacks.
Yeah.
With the leverage that you're talking about,
Mm-hmm.
you're probably missing out on maybe 200,000 from that pullback you could have got up there. You know what I
So
mean?
yeah, okay. So watch this though.
And you don't know if
if
it's
he
good
catches
too.
it like okay, if he notices like right here, the structure was down, lower low, higher low, lower low, and then do a higher low again. So it's going to change directions, right?
Mm.
This direction. So if he gets in like right around here, right? Higher high, higher low. He's just waiting for that next higher high.
Mm.
To the next higher high. So even though if it pulls back, that's just this market structure, right? You know what I mean by market structure?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's that's what it is. It's like let me see what the fucking is here. So it's that's even though it pulls back, it's still like once it breaks this, once it breaks this little fucking peak right here on the pull back and breaks this, you get in here, and then you're gonna ride it up. But you know it's always gonna pull back to a level, and then you ride it up, ride it up, ride it up, ride it up, because it's still hanging out at this over these this remains and shit. So
Yeah.
he's just riding it up, and then he may get out. This I don't know how he trades because this thing's rich, but he say he gets out like right here. So he'll wait for this consolidation to end, correction, and then it corrects itself here to clear this consolidation, and then it continues up. So he does continuation. He gets in on the continuation.
Makes sense.
Once that structure breaks, continuation and rides it up. Yeah, it's gonna have a full drawdown, but the long term is still above this yellow line, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you ride it up. Then he get out on the consolidation. So, dude, he fucks it up. He's good. Yeah, he's good.
Man, I got cooked. Man, it's going back.
You say you're gonna hang out though, right?
I'm gonna hang on to it.
Yeah, yeah. Cause you said it's gonna be a while before it does it.
I mean, yeah, but
You said
I want to up it. I want to up it, but